Now, if we want to create timed events, things that happen, multiple things happening at once, um, whatever the frequency may be, we have the option of doing that. Under settings, there's an option called events. If we add a new event and say that every morning we want to have something happen, we want to have the scene or the activity, the action already created for that. So the question is first, how often is this going to happen? Well, I don't really want this to happen hourly. In this case, I want it to happen daily. Now, I want to point out that weekly allows for this to happen select days of the week. So it's similar to daily with the ability of deselecting certain days if we want to. Then at what time does it happen? So we go 8 a.m. Also have it relative to sunrise or sunset. And let's go back. And then what is it going to do? That's the action. And again, any of those existing scenes within the system, within the Equinox system, can be selected. So in this case, this example, which we've created in another one, sets shade position, set color temperature, sets full color and certain lights to certain intensities. Once we've created that, then it will show us, and in order to find this, you're just going to come back into settings and back into events, select this, and it will show you the next occurrence. So today's already passed, so this won't happen again. Well, let's see, let's save that because I don't think that. Okay, so now it's saved. It'll happen tomorrow at 8 a.m. And we can do a single occurrence disable by tapping it, and you notice that it's grayed out, meaning that it won't happen. The next time it's scheduled to happen, it will. If we wanted to do an indefinite disabling, there's a ability to do that down here. If you do that, make sure to save it or it won't take effect. And now we've disabled that timer. So you can have timers that are in there just ready to be enabled, and you can disable them at any time. Now you want to use events specifically when you want multiple devices to take on different values. Schedules are one value, such as light intensity or CCT or shade position or full colors. And you can't do all of those at the same time with a schedule, as each schedule is defined as just one. So for scenes that do multiple things, this is how you would create the events that run that.